This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to this year's first installment of Slay Sunday Spooky Edition. So for this, today I wanted to do something from the Purge election year, because honestly, with the madness that has been 2020, it low-key feels like we're in the purge at the moment, and on top of that, it's an election year. So to go off of that, I wanted to try my hand at doing neon green mask. I think she was in like a Statue of Liberty costume or something. Either way, so I don't have that costume, but I'm gonna try my best to like kind of create that neon moment on my face. So we're gonna see how this goes. Also, side note, I have a new wig technique, guys, like with a lace front. I finally tried this Got To Be glue gel. Okay, I finally tried her because I have watched, I feel like, so many wig installations, but I haven't had the time. So I finally tried it. And this wig, this is a nice wig. And for 35 bucks, you can't beat it. It's like the Swiss lace, and it has like the U part, so you can part it the different ways. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked because it's not about Halloween. But I just wanted to say that because it looks like she's growing from my scalp. Lace wear. Wig wear. Okay, so for that neon green, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a neon, I'm going to take this neon green shadow from my Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, that bright ass green right there. I'm going to take that and I'm going to kind of outline the lines of like the mask. Okay, I feel like I need a better brush to maybe draw this on, to like pack it on, because right now, like, it's going on, but it's not exactly giving me the effect that I want. Let me see if I can find a different brush. Okay, so actually what I'm doing instead right now, at least to kind of get my outline down, I'm actually just taking my finger, because that has immediately made it look brighter. So okay, I think I have the X's how I want it. Now the mask, it has like a line under the nose too. Okay, next I'm probably gonna take this brush again just to outline it. And I'm gonna do the mouth part, so it has like a smile and then some X's through the smile and then 3 lines through my mouth. So we'll see how that goes with just the eyeshadow. We'll see. So I'm taking this slightly thinner brush and I'm packing that on my mouth area. You know, it's funny because I kind of want to get like a Frappuccino today. Like I'm kind of craving one. My cycle's coming up and I just kind of want one, but I can't really be leaving looking like this. They're gonna be like, you alright? So, Lord have mercy. The dilemma I'm currently facing. Okay, so I've done the X's and everything now. At least the outline. Now I'm just gonna do kind of the like top part on my forehead. Okay, all right, so I think that's about as good as we gonna get with that for now. Take my from my Anastasia liquid lip paint palette, sorry. I was about to say liquid lipstick, but that's not what this is. So yes, I'm going to take this lip paint palette and I'm going to take this white here and I'm going to kind of run through lines, all the lines that I just made with the neon green, and hopefully that is what's going to give it that effect. I'm hoping. It's kind of looking a little neon, right? Right? Am I making that up? I don't think I'm making that up. Okay. It's really hard because my nose itches, but I'm not trying to scratch this off. It's kind of doing it though, you guys. This was literally just an idea in my head and it's kind of working, so I'm happy. Okay. Okay. We're looking bright. It's looking kind of neon. Oh! Okay. Okay. I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay. Okay, you guys. So yeah, I think this is the final look, honey. We're looking bright. Yes. So this, you know, we made something work here. But okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a nice kind of little intro to get me back into my creative side. And again, if there are any characters, whatever that you'd like to see me try to recreate, leave a suggestion down below for me, please. Your feedback means a lot to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I'll be back next week with another one. Bye guys.
Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.